You say you're done, exhausted, tired of trying, thinking, caring, but are you really done? Because what if this isn't your breaking point? What if it's your crossing point? When Socrates said, the secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. He knew that. The old parts of you won't go quietly. They'll drag you back in your comfort, even if that comfort is killing you. You scroll for answers, and you get more confused. What you really need is to stand still, long enough to hear your own. Diogenes laughed at the world's idea of success because he knew a man chasing approval has already lost himself. Rumi said, "Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in another form." But when you're deep in loss, those words feel like salt on the wound. But just take a breath, look back, and you'll see you got everything you once prayed for, or the loss you overcame was replaced with something better eventually. So here's the truth. You will suffer, you will lose, you will break. But if you survive the death of who you were, you'll meet the version you were meant to be. Seneca wrote, "Sometimes even to live is an act of courage." And Machiavelli warned, "It is better to act and regret than not to act and regret." You don't need to be fearless. You need to be honest to yourself about what's no longer serving your soul. Schopenhauer said, "Compassion is the basis of morality." And maybe you'll see you've already survived what once felt impossible. So, now, rebuild yourself. Not for them, but for yourself. Build with your pain, with your past, with the silence that taught you to breathe. And when it hurts again, because it will, remember, this is not the end. It's the clearing before something real begins.